So we start off today's video with this long to short transformation. The stylist places the hair in a ponytail, and it looks like she's going to be getting a bob haircut for this one. Oh, absolutely gorgeous, classic bob style. This is so effortless and chic. Absolutely stunning. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to be checking out some hot short hair transformations. So here we have another beautiful bob haircut. Gorgeous chocolate brown hair coloring, center part down the middle. Beautiful. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now let's take a look at this next hair transformation. Looks like she has some blonde hair. And bam, another gorgeous bob. Very interesting bright yellow color. Wow, look at her makeup. This is like so fashion forward. And then we have a pixie. Now this is a bit of a longer pixie or pixie bob style. Lots of height and volume there in the crown area. Beautiful. So here we have someone with beautiful platinum hair. Looks like the stylist is mixing in green towards the end, a bit of pink. Very unique color combination. Wow, this is gorgeous. And then we have this cute little pixie style. The stylist shapes this up into more of a pixie, adding in some bangs. And with the bangs, she can play around with those, spike the hair up, wear it down, and really just have a lot of versatility within the overall style. Very chic. Absolutely love this. I love the way that the pixie really makes her cheekbones pop as well. Gorgeous. And there are some of the styling options that she played around with. So much versatility. So then we have this box bob, or what I like to call mini bob style. We're seeing a lot of this season, a lot of the jaw length style bobs. Micro bobs. And this particular style is usually worn straight, creating a very blunt and chic look. Very nice. So let us know in the comments below which hairstyle is your favorite from today's video. Would you rock any of these looks? So the stylist does make this look a little bit more French girl with the waves. I think I prefer it super straight. It just kind of creates more of like a classic look and feel to me overall. Alright, so another hair transformation here. Looks like her hair is just a bit past her shoulders. Stylist is doing a downward cutting motion. Adding in the razor. Oh wow, look at this bob. This is absolutely gorgeous. So much movement with the way he did the cutting. Very pretty. And then we move into another bold statement making style. So she's also going to be getting the micro bob trend. I really like her pink hair. I think that this is gonna look so cute. Looks like she has baby bangs. Oh wow, this is absolutely adorable. I love how this looks with her red lip. And the baby bangs are also starting to really trend this season. Very cute. Absolutely love this. Alright you guys, I hope you were able to find some inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.